less energy but non-penetrating, the UV radiations. So UV radiations is a famous example for non-ionizing radiation because its wavelengths are preferentially absorbed by the basis of DNA and by aromatic amino acids of the protein. So UV radiations which have a short wavelength are absorbed by the base pairs of DNA and by aromatic amino acid which are present in the protein. Which are the aromatic acid present in the protein? Can anybody tell me the names of aromatic acid which are present in protein? Anybody can tell me the names of aromatic amino acids? Anybody? Fast? Nobody? So tryptophan, phenylalanine are the examples of aromatic acid which are present in the proteins. So they are going to absorb the UV radiations and they are going to alter. So there are three different types of wavelengths which are present or which can reach up to the surface of the earth, and that are UVA, ultraviolet light B, ultraviolet C. That is UVA, UVB and UVC. So these are going to affect by forming a thymine dimer. So the out of these three, keep in mind that UVB are the most potent non-ionizing radiations which can cause the mutation, and out of this UVA is not going to reach to the surface of the earth. It will be absorbed by the ozone layer. So the harmful to human skin is the UVB. Most potent is the UVB, may asked in your competitive examination, and that is the reason why we are using the sunscreens in the summer days. हम एडवर्टाइज में देखते हैं ना कि it is going to protect the UV light, fair and lovely and some advertise are there which वो दिखाते हैं कि भाई जैसे ही वो लगाओगे तो एक लेयर बनेगा, ड्यू टू दैट लेयर the UV radiations cannot reach to your cells which are present in the skin. So dermal cells तक UV light नहीं पहुंचेगी because of that chemical layer. ऐसा उनका advertise में होता है. So according to that they mentioned the SPF factor also, like SPF 30, SPF 15. So most of the girls know that SPF क्या होता है and what is the role of that sunscreen. So most of the times we are using this in summer days. So the mechanism of that sunscreen is वो एक लेयर बनाता है इस dermal cells के ऊपर, and due to that UV light that is not going to reach up to that cell. So that is the mechanism for that sunscreen lotions. But the mechanism for these non-ionizing radiations to cause alteration in the DNA is that they are going to form thymine dimers. So whenever the UV radiations reaches to the DNA, they are going to form a thymine dimer, and these dimers cause the strand to buckle or disturb the normal base pairing. So due to these thymine dimers, so obviously वहां पर change हो गया. Due to that, they are going to alter or some disturb the normal base pairing in that particular DNA strand, and due to this, they are going to prevent. So due to this, these thymine dimers prevents the normal replication and transcription. तो ये करते क्या है? They are going to prevent the normal replication and transcription. So that is the mechanism of non-ionizing radiation on the DNA. Affects the DNA. How they are going to affect the DNA? Forming thymine dimers, they prevent the normal replication and transcription. So here, this is the cyclobutane ring which is present and due to the UV radiation they are going to be changed. So in this slide you can see the normal DNA is shown in upper diagram, and due to the UV radiations the thymine dimers are formed. So below डीएनए स्ट्रैंड में आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पर ये दोनों डाइमर फॉर्म चुके होते हैं, दैट इज थाइमीन डाइमर. सो ड्यू टू दिस प्रीमैच्योर टर्मिनेशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री स्ट्रैंड ऑकर्स. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो इसके आगे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री स्ट्रैंड नहीं बढ़ेगा या टर्मिनेशन हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज द मेन रीजन हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू प्रिवेंट द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन. क्योंकि हमें पता है फॉर रेप्लिकेशन the DNA polymerase should extend the strand, elongation the strand based on the template strand. लेकिन यहाँ पर थाइमिन डाइमर फॉर्म हो चुका है तो DNA polymerase 3 cannot extend or elongate the strand based on the template, and hence premature termination of this strand will occur, and ultimately इसका consequence क्या होगा? It will prevent the replication. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So due to this the replication going to be inhibited due to this thymine dimers. So this is all about the physical mutagens. Physical mutagens के examples आपको याद रखने हैं. Ionizing radiations के example है X-rays and gamma rays, whereas non-ionizing radiation का example है UV light. Among that आपको याद रखना है UVB is the most potent mutagen, which is a non-ionizing category. This is the end of the physical mutagens. We end up with the chemical mutagen. We learn about physical mutagen. Now we will go for the next third type, that is the biological mutagens. So as a word came biological, it suggests in our mind that it should be a living cells or it should be a living molecule, and the examples of these include the transposable elements and some viruses. So examples of the biological mutagens are transposable elements and viruses. Due to these ट्रांसपोजेबल एलिमेंट्स जो हमें पढ़ने हैं यूनिट 4th में, जहां पर हम पढ़ेंगे कि भाई हाउ दे आर हैविंग अ रोल इन द डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज. सो दीज ट्रांसपोजेबल एलिमेंट्स हैव द इंसर्शन व्हिच रिजल्ट्स इन द डिसफंक्शन ऑफ पर्टिकुलर जीन, and we can see here common biological mutagens include the rubella virus, cytomegalovirus, and hepatitis B virus. So these viruses, when enters into the host genome, they changes the particular base pair, and due to which they cause a mutation. In this slide you can see that the transposable elements here, the red one, which alters due to the transposable elements. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो after transcription the active polypeptide chain will be formed अगर वो normally होता है तो. If gene segments are separated by transposable genetic elements, then in transcription they after translation the defect in that particular protein molecule, hence it will be inactive. So right side के diagram में आप देख सकते हो due to these transposable elements which are also called as jumping genes, after transcription and translation they form an inactive product, that is inactive polypeptide. So this is how biological mutagen transposable elements affects the DNA strand. Are you understanding?
Yes,
The same way the viruses also alters the base pair when they enters into the genome of a host system. So for example कि भाई कोई retrovirus है, it is going to alter the base pairs when it enters into the host system, and they sometimes they causes the cancers also. So viruses can alter the base pairs, and due to that alteration in the base pair or alteration in the metabolism of cell, they can cause a cancer. And we know the examples of cancer causing agents. So these are the biological mutagens. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So here
Yes, sir.
we finishes with the mutagen topic or mutagen concept. So mutagen means any chemical molecule or any molecule which causes the mutation are called mutagens. These are categorized into three categories as chemical mutagen, physical mutagen and biological mutagen. उसके एग्जाम्पल एंड देयर मैकेनिज्म ये आपको याद रखना है for both university exam also and competitive examinations also. Clear? So conclusion is that the exposure to mutagen may induce the mutation. So due to this mutation definitely can occur. Either it may be a spontaneous or it may be a artificial mutation. Now here we finishes with the mutagen topic. Now we will focus our discussion towards the different types of mutations. So now we started with the types of mutations. So in this slide I can summarize all the mutations which we are going to study. So mutations or changes in the gene or chromosome can be broadly categorized into two categories as gene mutation and chromosome mutation. So we can say that a point mutation and a gross mutation. Point mutation मतलब कोई gene mutation होगा जहां पर कोई small size या small nucleotides के बीच में होगा. Gross mutation means at the higher level, and higher level in of the DNA means at the chromosomal level. So gene mutations and chromosome mutations. We now start with the gene mutations. अगर हम gene mutations के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं तो it is having a replacement of one nucleotide by another, that is a point mutation, or that point mutations occur due to addition or deletion of a nucleotide. So that is the gene mutation. And chromosome mutations include the change in the number of chromosomes, that is the ploidy. So that is either addition or deletion of set of chromosome, then it is called as a aneuploidy and euploidy. And another is change in the structure of chromosome. So structural chromosomal aberrations or structural chromosomal mutations include deletion होगा, ट्रांसलोकेशन होगा, या डुप्लीकेशन होगा, या ट्रांसवर्जन होगा. Out of these four, any change may occurs in the structural aberration of a chromosome. So now we start with one by one. Are you ready? Can we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So gene mutation. Gene mutation. A gene mutation is defined as
Yes, sir.
an, okay, thank you all of you to have the permission to start with this gene mutation. So gene mutation can be defined as an alteration in the sequence of nucleotides in DNA. An alteration in the sequence of nucleotide in the DNA is called as gene mutation, and this change can affect a single nucleotide pair or larger gene segment of a chromosome. So it will affect a single nucleotide pair or a larger segment of a chromosome. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we will see particular types of gene mutations. Important है ये types of gene mutation. So these gene mutations can be categorized into three categories. which are in front of you as point mutation, frame shift mutation, and base substitution mutation. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So gene mutations are categorized into 3 categories. ये आपके नोटबुक में as it is होना चाहिए. Point mutation, frame shift mutation, and base substitution mutation. Now this point mutation includes, जो हम आगे पढ़ने वाले हैं in detail, point mutation include a silent mutation, missense mutation, and nonsense mutation. So due to a single nucleotide change, it will cause a silent mutation, missense mutation, and nonsense mutation. Next, another one. Ab second classification, that is frame shift mutation, includes insertion or deletion. Insertion or deletion of nucleotide की वजह से होता है frame shift mutation. So due to insertion or deletion, a frame shift mutation can cause, right?